people in general need them because they just components wear out. The bussing can become deteriorated and sooty, and connections can become loose, and just in general wear and tear on a panel. They say about 15 years for an aluminum back panel and about 30 for a copper back. And in this one here we have an aluminum back Challenger, and the Challenger was originally the Zinsco, which is probably the #1 culprit for the worst panel you could have. So this isn't there, but it is getting close. The Zinscos were in the 70s, they started coming out in the 80s. It's something I would think about replacing, and maybe getting a panel tune-up on, since we're seeing some loose connections here and there. It's really light, but what you're looking for is this bussing back here. It runs beneath the breakers. That's what you can get the heat damage, and you're looking for the heat damage on the bussing itself. So you can see in this top left corner, it's starting to turn a little copperish, getting past the nickel colors. That's something that's a sign there. This panel looks pretty good, but if you're starting to see any discoloration, definitely keep it on your radar. Things we look for are hazardous panels like Federal Pacifics and Zinscos. They tend to have poor breakers in there. Is the big thing that can melt or have a trip hazard that can cause fire. And they came out all the way up into about the 70s, so it's good to get those checked out and get those replaced. And if you do have the Federal Pacific or the Zinsco panel, a lot of insurance agencies won't cover you, so you'll have to get that switched out. And it's also a fire hazard, so it is important.